Have you ever thought about upcycling in your garden? It's a brilliant way to repurpose items, reducing waste and benefiting our environment. Today, we'll share a few imaginative ways to upcycle in your garden. Ready to give your garden a fresh, creative look while also doing your part for the planet? Let's dive in. Our first idea involves something most of us have lying around: tin cans. Begin by giving those cans a good clean and removing any sharp edges. Once clean, let your creativity flow with paint and decorations to make them uniquely yours. Lastly, fill them with soil and your choice of plants. The beauty of tin can planters is their affordability and adaptability. They can transform any space into a vibrant garden spot. With these tin can planters, your garden will be blooming with personality. Next, let's tackle something a bit bigger: a compost bin made from old pallets. First things first, you'll need to find some pallets. Once you have these, give them a good clean and prepare to assemble. Fix them together to form a three-sided box, and voila! You have your compost bin. Now the fun part begins: composting. Start by adding a mix of green and brown materials. This idea is not just sustainable, it's practical too. So not only have you created a functional piece for your garden, but you're also reducing waste. Brilliant, isn't it? Now that you're equipped with these creative upcycling ideas, it's your turn to get hands-on. Imagine the fun, satisfaction, and environmental benefits as you mold your garden into an eco-friendly haven. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy upcycling!